afternoon. How are you? It's a beautiful Sunday, and I hope you're having all the adequate rest you need. Yes, and I hope you went to church. I hope you went to church. So, welcome to my space. This is Sisiladspace, and my name is Omalade. I film content from Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to my space. If you're new here, welcome, and do well to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you so much. Your subscription means a lot to me. So today I just want to show you a video I made of Puffpuff. Yes, if you've been on my channel, you know I made Puffpuff some time ago. If you've not seen the video, I'll link it up either here or here in this video, so you go and watch it. And that Puffpuff was looking like akara, but you know what, practice makes perfect. So I took up the challenge again and I made another Puff, and it came out well. It came out better than the first one. So constant practice always makes perfect. Yes, so if you've tried something and it did not work out, try again. Don't give up. So that's what this video is about, me making Puff for my family second trial. So do well to watch to the end, like, comment, share, and most especially subscribe. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, so I want to make Puff using our new Puff mix, and in this bowl we have a little mixture, and here we have warm water. Always use warm water to mix your dough, and my hands are washed, so I'm going to use my hands to mix. So I'm just pouring a little inside and I'm mixing. Warm water, not hot water. I'm carrying my daughter, but she will not allow me to do it. So you mix very well until everything is well combined. So as you can see now, we've combined it, but it's a little bit thick. So I'll just add very small water, so we don't end up with a watery paste. Very small. So you're going to mix until it is stretchy. So until you have a consistency like this, can you see it? This type of consistency. Once you have this type of consistency, you mix until you have this kind of consistency. So now I'm just going to cover the bowl for at least 45 to 1 hour to allow it to rise. Can you see the size of the mix here? Can you see the size of the mix? Yeah. So we are going to cover this now for at least 1 hour, 45 to 1 hour, to let it double in size. And when it doubles, then we'll fry. So I'm going to cover it now with another bowl or a clean cloth. I'm going to use a clean cloth to cover it right now. So here it is. I've covered the mix, so I just want to place it into the oven. You put in a dark place or a warm place. So I'm just putting it in an oven, and I'll set my timer to 1 hour before we fry. So this is after an hour. Can you see the size? Can you see the size of our puff puff mix? So I've washed my hands again, so I'm just going to mix it to let out the air in it. So this is it after we've let out the air, and you can see it's still very stretchy. So now we are going to fry. Our oil is on the fire now, and you need a lot of oil to fry your puff puff. It is deep frying, so I'm just going to place them in balls into this oil and fry until golden brown. So this is the end result, and this is our puff puff. Although not perfectly round, but it's manageable. So that's how you make your puff puff using the puff puff mix. Thank you.